Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the way to create Wix landing page. Wix is a free website builder, so we can create awesome and really beautiful website using Wix. In this video I will use this website builder to build our landing page for free. Click the first link on description and you will redirect to this page. Next, click get started. Okay, now you have to sign up with Wix.com. I will use my Gmail account to sign up with Wix.com. So I click on continue with continue with Google, and I click my Gmail address. Okay, now I click on this skip button. Now I will click choose a template. Then I will click on blank templates. Also there is lot of templates, so if you want to build a website you can select a template and edit the template, but in our case I will get blank templates. Now I click on start from scratch and I click edit. I will close this window. This is the Wix website editor. We can drag and drop content to this canvas and create website as we want. If you check the left side menus, you can select background, or you can add stuff like text, image, buttons, galleries and so on. So there has lot of features to create awesome website. Just play around with this menu and find more awesome content, but I will go to next step. So I close this one. Now it's time to create our landing page. So I am going to create landing page for affiliate product called Overnight Millionaire. I will go to Digistore. This is my Digistore account and I will go to marketplace. Now there has Overnight Millionaire affiliate product. Currently sales rank of this Overnight Millionaire product is 2. That means this product is selling very well. So let's find out the look of sales page. I click on sales page and it open in new window. This is our sales page. Basically this product is all about manifesting things and change your mindset to become a millionaire. So let's try to promote this product. I am going to create simple landing page for promote this product. In my landing page I will add text same like this, and I will add this image to center, then I will add a button to bottom. So let's try to create it. First of all I go to our Wix website editor and I will add text to this header area. So I click on the plus icon and I click on text. Now I click on title, then I click on big title and I will drag it to here. Now I change this text. So to change the text I will double click on this big title text and now I can type any text in here. I will make a text and see you in second. Okay, I make the text, so I will paste that text on here. I select this text by pressing Ctrl A. Now I press Ctrl V. So this is our text. I have to adjust the text. To do that I click on here and adjust little bit like this, and I will adjust it like this. Okay, great. Now I will click on this line and I will click here and minimize the size of that line. Now I double click on this text. I am going to change the alignment. So I will make it as center and I will bold the text. I will select this part and make it red. So I click this plus icon and select something like this and click on add. I have to reselect it and click the color and click like this. Okay, cool. If I want I can change the font and I can change the font size. I can add underline and I can do many more things, but let's make it as this way. Also if you want to add background to this landing page you can click on background and you can select a background from here. If I select this one it will show as like this. If I select this one it will show like this, but I don't need to use any background, so I will go back to default. I will click the color and make it white. There has lot of features in this Wix website editor, so highly recommended to use it. So I close this one and now I need to add this image to here. To do that, I will go to this sales page and scroll up like this. Now I need to download this part. So the easy way is we can get a screenshot of this part. To get a screenshot, we can use a tool called sniping tool. So this tool available for Windows. I use Windows 8. I will click here and search sniping tool, and I click on the tool. Now I can click on this new button and select the area that I want to capture. So I want to capture this area. Okay, it's captured, and I click on save, and I will save it in documents. I will add the file name as overnight millionaire. Let's add overnight and close the sniping tool. Now I go to Wix website editor and click on add button. Now I click on images and I click on my image upload. Also you can get free Wix images and free Wix illustration and lot of stuff. Just play around with this website editor and you will see lot of things that you can do. So I click on upload media and I click on upload from computer. Now I go to documents and scroll down. Where is it? Yeah, this is the one. I click on the image and click on open. It's uploading. Okay, it's uploaded. Also I can crop or edit the image by clicking here, but I will add to page and it will show like this. I can change the position by dragging, so I will drag here and drop it on here. So far it's look cool. Next thing, we have to add our affiliate link to this image, because if someone click this play button, he should redirect to the our affiliate sales page. So I click the image and I click this link icon. So I click on the link icon. Now I can add the website URL. So I click on web address. Now I go to digistore24 and copy my affiliate URL, and I come to website editor and paste it on here. Next I click on new window and click on done. Okay, we add our link to this image. So next I will add little text in here and add our button. So I will make that text and see you in second. Okay, I make the text, so I will click on add and click on text. Now I will click this small title. Oh, let's go to theme text. In theme text I will select let's select H4 or headline 4. I drag that to here and I double click on it and paste my text. So my text is hurry, this video will be removed soon. So I will make it like this. Okay, and double click on it and change the alignment to center and decrease the size of text to, let's make it as 30. Text size is 30. Let's reduce the size. Let's reduce it to 27. Okay, cool. Okay, now we have to add our button to here. To add our button, click add and click on button, not galleries. Click on button and let's click this default button. So I click on the button and it come to here. So I will place it on here and I can change the size of this button. So I will drag it like this. Let's drag it like this, and let's drag it like this, and let's make the height bigger. Okay, and I double click on the button and now I can change the text of button. So I will add text like click here to watch the video. Okay, I will add that text to here, and now I have to add the link. So I click on add the link and click on website and I paste our affiliate URL. So I paste it on here and click on done. Now I close this window. Now we have to change the design. I need to change the color of this button and I need to make bigger this text. So I click on design and it open this window and click on customize design. Now I click on fill color and opacity and I will select the color as red. So this will work, and I go back. No, I go to text and increase the font size. Let's make it as 25. So if I want, I can change the font, but the font is good. Okay, now I close this window and I will make this button center and I will change the size of this button. Okay, now our landing page is complete. This is a simple landing page. In standard landing page, you have to add a footer and mention contact us, privacy policy and disclaimer URL on the footer. So I will create video about standard landing page. By the way, this is the landing page. Now it's time to publish it. Before publish it, I will preview it. So this is the landing page. Also I can switch it to mobile view. So in mobile view we have something to remove and we have to make changes. So let's make those changes. I will click on back to editor. Currently I am at desktop mode, so I will click on this mobile icon to switch to mobile, and now I can change the things that I don't need. So I will click this hamburger menu and I will click on this I, that means hide. So I click on this I and I will remove this space by drag this part to up. Now we have to change the button size. To change it, click on the button and you can decrease the font size. If you want to change the button size, you can change it by drag and drop those points. But button looks good, so I will make it as this. And let's go to desktop view. In desktop view it will show like this, and in mobile view it will show like this. By the way, let's click on publish. In free account you can't add a domain name. If you want to add your domain name to your landing page, you have to get monthly subscription of Wix.com. By the way, I click on view my site and this is the my site. When I click on this image, I will redirect to my affiliate product. If I click on this button, I will redirect to the same affiliate product. So this is the way to create Wix landing page. So I go back to editor and I click on done. Now I will switch to the desktop mode. If you want to connect domain to this site, you can go to setting. You can hover on setting and click connect domain. There has two options. I can buy a domain for my landing page or I can connect the domain that I already have. So I will select the second option. When I click on it, I will see this pop-up. That means I have to update this free account to premium account. If I click on select a plan, I will show the all plans that I can purchase on Wix. If you want to run simple landing page, this connect domain package is enough for you. By the way, I will skip this part. Somehow if you don't need to connect domain and you only need to get URL for this landing page, just go to site and click on view publish site. When you click on view publish site, you can get the URL. Also you can go to dashboard and click on site action. Then you can rename the site name view live site and duplicate the site. Also you can edit the site. Okay, this is the full video of creating landing page with Wix. I hope you get valuable information. I will see you in next time. Bye bye.